Hello students, let's work this problem out together. The rectangle below has an area of 108 square meters. What is the value of x? So remember that area of a rectangle, we would have to find that formula. So here in our anchor chart, we have the formula to find the area of our rectangle. Area equals base times height. So here, this number will represent our height, and x plus 1 will represent our base. And so I'm going to take this formula, area equals base times height. And I know the area is 108. So for A, I can put 108 equals base. My base is x plus 1. And my height is 12. Okay, now we're going to use the distributive property, and we're going to multiply 12 times x and 12 times 1. When we are multiplying x plus 1 times 12, we are distributing or multiplying the 12 times x and then the 12 times 1. We can look at it over here. I made a little table. So x plus 1 at the top and 12 on the side. So I want to multiply 12 times x. That would be 12x. And 12 times 1 is 12. And then we have our plus. So the same thing if we're looking at it this way. 12 times x is 12x. And 12 times 1 is 12. And it was a plus 1, so it's plus 12. And all of that has to equal the area of 108. So now we have a two-step equation, and we're going to isolate x. We're going to start by doing minus 12 because we have plus 12. Whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. So plus 12 minus 12 is 0. So we have 12x equals, and on this side, we have 8 minus 2 is 6. And we have 10 minus 1 is 9. So now we are going to divide by 12 the coefficient. And whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. 12 divided by 12 is 1, so we have 1x, which is x isolated, and 96 divided by 12. I just want to think of something times 12 that I know is 96. So 12 times 8 is 96. So we get 8 equals x, or x equals 8. Remember the question was saying, what is the value of x? So we are done here. We did just want to know what was the value of x. However, I would like to check something. I would like to check if when I replace or substitute x in, do I get the correct area of 108? So x is 8. So now I can say the base is 8 plus 1, which would be 9. So my base is 9. So if the area was base times height, the base is 9 when I replace x with 8, and the height is still 12. And 9 times 12 is 108, which matches the area that they gave me. So now I feel confident that my answer, x equals 8, is correct, and I will pick A, x equals 8.